I will show you how to build animals and build blocks. Yay! First, you put a make a turtle. Okay. Put it all together in the turtle. And then put the shell. And I have a sticker. And next is the dinosaur. I forgot in the order. Okay, I must make a dinosaur. Oh, someone, it's there you are. You're missing. The dinosaurs all complete. And they are all, and then the blocks also. We have to put the blocks on the same order. You must do it. We can put the background music if you want. Wait. Now. Play now. And we're gonna put also this. We're gonna put it together. Okay? We're gonna put it together. The first one was failing. Here, there are two houses. And then, oh, wait lang. And put this here to the other rooms. Now, okay. All together. One. I love putting things together. Dun, dun, dun. Now we're gonna put it. Wait. I'm making their own houses. Their brother and their sister. Okay, wait. this. It's easy. Okay. I'm fixing it because it might now falling. Okay. See you all today now. Subscribe. Click here. Bye. Click on Anna and Cailey G channel. Bye. Subscribe on YouTube. I hope you like it. This clothes is from in Tita Grace. Thank you, Tita Grace. Enjoy. Wait,